Game not opening after install. Your antivirus might have secretly blocked or deleted important files. Let's fix that in seconds. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore quarantined files from Windows Security so your game or software runs properly. Step 1. Open Windows Security. First, click on the Start menu and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Open it. Inside Virus and Threat Protection, now scroll down and click on Protection History. This is where all blocked or quarantined files are listed. Look for the file related to your game or software. It may show as quarantined or threat blocked. Click on that file, then select Actions and choose Restore. This will bring the file back. That's it. Now your game should work without errors. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Comment your problem if you need help.